We start getting benchmarks of the Huawei Mate 20, yes, not Mate 11, and it's fast. Renders appear to bring more information on what we should expect for a future KEYone, and there's an alternative solution in the United States if you want a Huawei P20 Pro. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yes, I'm traveling again, pre-recording is happening, but more coverage comes very soon. This is Pocketnow Daily. All right, the official news today begin with deals, and write this down. You're gonna really want to get into this one. Google Pixel 2 XL is currently $100 off yet again on Best Buy. But listen to this one. Once again, you can get a Chromecast, a Google Home Mini, you can get YouTube TV for 2 months. This is the craziest deal out there, where one of the best phones, if not the best phone of last year, also brings a ton of goodies. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the Huawei P20 Pro. For those of you that want those 40 megapixels on your camera and you're in the United States, you don't get a phone unless you follow the description. There is an eBay seller that's trusted, I would say. For $882 you could buy the phone. And again, my phone is waiting until I land on Studio One tomorrow, and I'll let you know what I think. There's also another option, by the way. You can get that phone for $600. I don't know, the seller seems sketchy, but that's just me. Again, more information in the description. Now let's move the spotlight over to BlackBerry. We cannot wait to see when the company brings a successor to the KEYone, which we assume will be called the KEY2. And there are some leaked renders that show us a device that looks a lot like the current KEYone. Not exactly sure what differences are there other than the probable specifications. Snapdragon 660, it seems. 6 gigabytes of RAM, and I always get stuck when I try to say 6 gigabytes of RAM, but yeah, that's apparently what's coming. Let's see if that's real. And if you haven't noticed, if you're rocking an iOS device, iOS 11.3 has just launched, and I know, I usually don't cover that on the daily. The interesting part is that a lot of people that have been using third-party displays on their iPhones, meaning you didn't go to an Apple store to get it fixed, apparently their displays are not turning on. That is definitely alarming. I know the aftermarket for displays is insane, and I've always known that these aren't official. So yeah, let's see how it happens, or what, I don't know, the third-party providers will do anything about it, which I doubt will be the case in countries like where I'm from. And finally, the most interesting news today would have not been the most interesting news probably a couple of years ago, but given all the buzz of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and now the P20 Pro, we've got information about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, because apparently it won't be the Mate 11, and I like the fact that the numbers are finally catching up. We'll most likely get the triple cameras, as we saw with the Mate, I don't know, the Mate 10s or whatever, I forgot the name, but you get the point. The thing about it is, apparently the Kirin 980 processor, which is going to be the new deal, is going to be up to 30% faster and obviously bring some other bells and whistles. And we wonder exactly what Huawei plans to bring, to follow up on the P20 Pro here. In today's question, let us know. I mean, because of the P20 Pro and the popularity, particularly of that hands-on video, let us know what you think. I mean, are you looking forward to a Mate 20 Pro? In my case, of course I am, but leave us a comment down below. We can't wait to hear your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the Huawei P20 Pro down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.